Hello guys, there we have Electrolux SteamBoost Oven COB8S39WZ, and today I will show you the control panel overview. So as you can see, they have a display with the 5 buttons. The first button is a training button, and by this one you will open the menu with the functions. By this button you can open the favorites. The next one is for a light to turn it on or off, and this is a fast heat up mode. Now it's activated, you can also switch it off here by this little button. This button of course is for a turning on or off device. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.